In this video, I'll be editing the questions and the way that they look. So as you saw in the practice when we first solved the application, we have seen that I'm just reducing the padding of the question number. It was a little bit too big, so I'm just reducing this to just put 10 dp. I think that's quite okay. 10 dp, it's okay. For the question, I think it's normal, it's good. And gravity, it's already in center. Y, yeah, top center. Yeah, it doesn't matter. Yep. I think top center. I think I should put it better down. Put it down, it's closer to the user for the bigger phones. Resources, background, text view. Okay, so for our buttons, we're gonna change their style. Okay, gonna put some very cool style. The gray one, I don't like it. It's too dull. Gonna put a style here. Adding round corners. For each button, we're gonna add a background, give it a background. You're gonna call it the background text view. For proposed here, I called it answer, but actually it's propositions, but just stick with answer, no problem. Here I'm matching the width of the screen. I think it's better. It looks better this way. And add a little bit of padding, 5 dp, I think, so that we can make the button a little bit larger. And then also the margin is also important. Just put dp. dp is the outside. We add space on the outside of the button. The padding, we add space inside the button and the text, between the text and the button. The margin is between the frames of the button and the external layout. As you can see, it's pretty cool. Let's see how it's gonna look like with the round corners and stuff like that. Okay, very cool. But as you can see, it's white, so we're gonna have to add some colors. Yeah, pretty cool. Actually, I did something to that frame. I will show you later how I did that notification panel. Here I added some colors, padding, and strokes for the buttons. I just copy and pasted that from Google. It's gray. I don't like the colors too much. We're gonna flip those because you can't read the text, right? But the animation is quite cool. Here's quite options here. So the color changes with the click. When you press the button, these are the colors. There's focus, there's enabled, there's disabled. Here many will be using on pressed and enabled because all the buttons are always enabled, and sometimes the button gets pressed. For the focused, we don't actually use that for now. Just change a little bit the colors and then make them so that they can suit your needs. Okay, so try again. Here I will be I added some font about it so that we can color the antonyms and synonyms. Just add the font color red and then end of font. That's just an HTML code. Okay, and then you can try it now. But of course, here to include HTML code in text view, you need to parse that HTML tag. Here's how.